What's up, my YouTubers and YouTubies? It's your girl, Rain Purple Wine, aka Snugglepuss, and I'm coming to you with a product review. So if you're interested, stay tuned.
Yes, guys, it's finally here. Salon one-step hair dryer and styler, baby. Yes. So if you're interested in this review, I've been waiting on this baby for a minute. I'm so excited to finally try this. Hopefully this will make my the process of straightening my hair a little easier. So if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned.
Okay, welcome back guys. Okay, so I just got through washing and deep conditioning my hair. First of all, I'm going to show you my perfume of the day, which is Katy Perry's Purse. This is a perfume channel. This is what I wore today, and it's perfect for fall. I love it. I've been wearing it to work for the past 3 days, and I just love it to death. So I started off with a 3-minute Miracle 18-hour frizz control. I do my pre-poo with this. So I pre-pooed with this, and then I washed my hair with the Tresemme Repair and Protect 7. And this is for it's supposed to visibly repair 7 types of damage. And then I followed up with the Tresemme Repair and Protect 7 conditioner. And then I deep condition with, it's got hair all over it. I just use these products. Cream of Nature Pure Honey, which is a new product I'm trying. It's called Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner. Pure Honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter. It has no sulfates and no mineral oils. And it's by Cream of Nature, you know, but I decided to give it a go. So far, I've been enjoying it. And then I am using my leave-in conditioner. This is Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. And that's what I've just been leaving in and detangling with. Next, I'm going to put on this Smooth Intense Extreme Straight Cream. This is by L'Oreal Paris. I just put a little bit of this on for heat protectant. So I'm just going to do one section on camera, and then I'm gonna make sure it's detangled, and then I'm going to use the styler, the Revlon styler, and it has 3 settings. It has high, low, cool, and then that's your off button. So let me make sure my hair is good and detangled before I put that in my head, because I don't know how it's gonna go, you know. So, but yeah, I have been dying to try this because I wanted something that was going to cut down on my drying time. I can't believe I'm actually combing my hair on camera, guys, because usually, and I might break this up into 2 parts. It's really tangled at the top. This might be too big of a piece. I don't really know how this thing is going to work, so I'm probably going to split this into 2 sections. Putting it on high because I need high heat. Shoot. Not getting dry here, guys. It's not getting dry enough. Maybe I should have took some water out of it. I don't know. not straight. It's, you know, it's real puffy and stuff. Ugh. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so I blotted some of the moisture off the second piece, and honestly, I don't know. I feel like it's just making it puffy. Like I want it to be sleek, but this is the blow dry, and I still do have to press it out after that. So I don't know. We gonna keep going and see what happens. Alright, so this is one piece dry. Again, like I said, it's very puffy, which is going to make my flat ironing process even harder. It's supposed to be taking some of the puffiness out, so I won't have to do so much with the flat iron. So I don't know. It's pretty dry. I'm gonna finish the rest of my hey y'all. Oh no, y'all, no. I'm gonna finish the rest of this off camera and I'll come back. I don't, you know, I'm still on the fence here. And like I said, and like this big part right here is really, okay, we need to dry a little more right here. I'll be back. Alright, YouTubers, we back. I finished my whole head. This is the final results. So basically, you have to use small pieces. Definitely have to use small pieces. I'd say I feel like it helped me get through the hair faster because of all the surface area, which I like that part about it. Small pieces, definitely, you have to blot some of the moisture out of your hair. It can't be extremely wet. But yeah, it did a pretty good job. But I think the final result, when I actually, you know, flat iron it and stuff, will tell me exactly if it's something I have to use again. But that was only my first time using it. But yeah, I think next time I will use smaller pieces and not have my hair so wet and all that jazz. So that's what it's looking like. Usually my hair looks like this when it's just blown out, and then I have to go through and press it to get it to be a little bit more flatter and sleeker. And I also will say, when you're using it, you want to keep your hair stretched and brush in the motion that you want your hair to lay. Otherwise, it will kind of puff out and go everywhere. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me for this Revlon styler review. It's been a lot of fun. I'd say if I had to rate this 1 out of 10, I'd probably give her a good, I'd give her an 8. I'd give her an 8. Like I said, it did help me get through it faster with how big it is and everything like that. But you got to make sure that you get at the roots as well. I focused a lot on my ends because my ends are usually the part that likes to curl back up faster. But anyways, that's it. Again, thank y'all for joining me, and stay tuned for my next video. Once I get myself together and get this hair pressed out and get this face beat, we are getting into that haul, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that, guys. All right, love you guys. Bye. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Love you.